Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Okay, we're here at day 17 of the Uniquely Creative Advent box, and that crash you heard yesterday was the cats Orion trying to break into a box of jelly beans. Yes, jelly beans. Alright, what have we got? I think it could be a stamp. Let's see. Haha. That's two right. It is a really lovely, it's called Vintage Script. Sorry, even wearing glasses I found that hard to read. It's teeny tiny script. Absolutely perfect for backgrounds, especially tone on tone. So if you had like a creamy coloured cardstock, you would stamp this down with second generation really pale brown ink or something like that, just beautifully blended out in the background on cards, scrapbooks, journals, you name it. The scripts always come in handy for backgrounds. Okay, so that was, what are we up to? That was day 17. Join me tomorrow. We'll see what's in this one, in day 18. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.